magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, guys. So maglalakad kami ni Adrian. Papakita ko sa inyo kung makakailang steps kami. So ngayon nasa 252. Usually nakakaano kami, sometimes 17k. Pero ngayon ang goal namin maka 10k. Okay, ayan si Adrian, busy calculating.
No, I'm just checking something.
Dito pa kami sa labas. So, tingnan natin ito mamaya, guys, kung makakailan tayo, no? Bilangin natin. Kami ngayon, so nag-start nga kami ngayon, guys. Andito na kami sa labas. Yan.
So how many steps do you think we'll get done
Today,
just by the time we get to Sainsbury's and back home?
maybe 10k.
10,000? I don't think so.
How much do you guess?
I reckon 7k. I'll be very happy with 7k.
Malayo din naman yun, guys. Pero tingnan natin kung makaka 10k kami. Pagka nakaka 17k kami, masyado ng malayo na lakad namin nun. Mga 2 hours
Did
na
you
yun.
count? Yeah, you filmed it earlier. How many was it?
252.
Okay.
Ayan, ang field. Ito yung katapat ng flat na tinitirahan namin. Medyo mainit ha, feel warm now.
Yeah.
I already feel warm. Guys, andito na kami, no? I will check on my phone. How much na, babe?
Well, let's stop at the bench up here and have a drink of water.
Oo nga, iinom kami pagkatapos naming
It's not going to be many.
lakad. Pakita namin sa inyo kung ano. Dito kami dumadaan, no? Pero marami din nagdadaan dito. Mainit, tinanggal ko yung vest ko kasi mainit eh. Nainitan ako, dahil pala nag-t-shirt lang ako. Kasi kanina ang lakas ng hangin, very windy earlier.
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna be really
Really
cold.
umbrella in case or not?
Yeah, we have umbrella too. Ayun yung bag, may umbrella, may payong, may tubig.
I'm getting my hair cut this afternoon, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
May ano pala haircut siya. Oh, someone sitting in our spot.
Oh, really?
May nakaupo na dun sa aming
Oh,
ano.
that's nice.
Ah, can sit there.
No, I don't think there is another one there, is there? Oh yeah, there is. Strange little thing.
Pahinga muna kami dito, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo kung nakailang steps na kami, no? May naglalaro ng football ata dun. May nakaupo dun sa dati naming inuupuan. Masyadong mahangin kanina. Akala ko ay uulan ng ano, ng malakas.
It's not the most comfortable bench in the world.
It's alright as long it's sturdy. Is it sturdy?
Of course it's sturdy.
Can you please hold this, love? Maybe I should. Yun, us there. Ayan.
Oh look, he's going now though.
It's alright.
Well no, I'd rather sit over there because you know I don't like things without on the back.
Okay, so lilipat kami doon. Kasi ano, komportable doon eh. Ayan. Pinuwisan agad ako. I am sweaty now.
Yeah, I don't need to rest, I'm just getting thirsty. Excuse, isn't it? Don't want to, drink while walking. I could choke.
So guys, naglalakad kami ngayon ng nag-exercise kami. Actually, Adrian went to gym.
Yeah,
Ayan. He's back.
I'm back.
He's back.
Back again.
Back again. Going to gym. Kasi guys, kaya kami na ngayon nag-exercise at ayun. Kasi guys, kaya kami nag-exercise, no? At si Adrian balik din sa gym. we're trying to lose weight. So, okay guys, tingnan natin kung nakailan tayong steps. So, nagda-diet kami ni Adrian guys. At si Adrian naman bumalik sa
You
gym.
put the phone on this bit.
I did. That's fair. Open it, babe. Let's show it to them.
3,076. They're not going to be able to see that. Look, it's black.
Ayan, 3,076 na guys. Ayan. Ay, bakit nagba-black? Because of the
It's
screen.
not bright.
Ayan guys, 3,000 na pala ang nalakad namin. Medyo malayo-layo din yun Pero kapag balik namin siguro, pupunta pa kami sa Sainsbury. So,
We'll do another.
Adrian, right.
We'll do another 3,000 before we leave here. I
oo.
imagine.
Tapos, babalik kami. Pag di namin nakompleto yung yung 10K, babalik kami. Pag di namin nakompleto tong 10K, babalik kami. Kaya, magpapahinga muna kami dito, tapos titignan namin. Ano sa dog? Malapit yung aso. Lumapit yung aso. Ang laki pa naman. So yun guys, nagda-diet kami kasi syempre tumaba na ako nung last yung Christmas na ang timbang ko 66 kilo. I was 66 kilo last Christmas. So ngayon 9.10. How much is it? Maybe 62.
I don't know the conversion really, babe.
So yun, maybe 62 kilo ako ngayon. Mataba pa rin. That is my biggest 66. It's because I need to go back at least 55 kilogram. 55, 56 at least. So yun guys. So mainam din, healthy tayo. Kaya kami ni Adrian, healthy ulit kami pati sa food. Kaya less cooking muna ako kasi si Adrian bumibili siya ng ng ready meals para counted niya yung ng calorie. Oo. At tapos kami naman ni Riona, mga easy dinner lang, mga gisa lang. Minsan egg nga lang ulam ko. Si Riona naman minsan she likes only chicken. Just cook chicken. So nagpapahinga muna kami dito guys at maya maglalakad ulit kami.
Are they going to hear you from there?
Of course. I shouted. Ang init ng suot ko. I should wear a t-shirt. I did not know it's gonna be like this. Because it's so windy earlier. Healthy habits muna kami guys.
It came very sudden the day when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then, so scared that I would lose you. But you called me up right after I touched the ground. You wanted to hear that I got there all safe and sound, and you said,
So maglalakad kami sa town guys. Ayan, siguro makaka 8,000 steps kami. Pag hindi kami naka 10, babalik kami mamaya. Kasi yun ang goal namin, to get 10,000 steps.
3,000 is quite a lot, really. We should do another 3,000. We might get to 8.
Ang daming naglalaro dito. Ayan, yung mga aso kanina, yung mga daming families with kids.
Yeah, it's half term, isn't it? So people will be trying to entertain their kids a little bit. Excuse me. What do you want to do on Friday?
Nakakapagod. Nakakapagod. Ang tagal kasi namin hindi naglakad. It's so tiring, babe. Nakakapagod. Ang ganda ng puno.
They leave all the leaves there from autumn. Like natural compost.
Okay, dito tayo maglakad.
You can smell the flowers, can't you?
Ilang-ilang. Is it?
I don't think so.
Smell like ilang-ilang. Yeah. Smell like ilang-ilang, babe. Ang bango. Look at that.
Funny how some of them flower later than others.
Stanhow in National Trust in Sheffield.
These ones are still flowering, look. How fresh these are, and then these ones all dying off.
We did not go to Sheffield Park.
No, we
Must
should
be
do.
really
We'll
bloom.
go then this Friday.
No,
Should
not
get
that
bored of it.
one.
Let's just find somewhere else. Let's go
Yeah,
somewhere else.
I want to go somewhere else. Kasi ilang beses na kaming galing dun, guys. Mapapanood nyo yung ibang video namin. Ando doon
We can
kami.
take a picnic, can't we?
Yeah, where? Some
Right.
National Trust. Yeah, ang ganda, oh.
Yeah, why don't we plan for a picnic on Friday?
Yes, where?
Wherever you want.
Let's see, babe. Hello guys, nakabalik na kami. Nakakapagod. Ang init pa namang maglakad. So, papauwi kami. Nagdaan kami sa town. Teka nga. So, papauwi namin. Nagdaan kami sa town, no? So, hindi pa namin nakumpleto yung 10K. Haba nung nilakad namin. 7,795. Ayan guys, 7,795. So, lalabas pa kami, papunta kami sa Sainsbury's. Hindi kami nagdiretso dun eh. Kaya, dumuwi muna kami kasi may pinamili kami. Hinom lang ako, napagod ako. Hama na nilakad namin, nakabili ako ng coconut water dun sa Holland and Barrett. Holland and Barrett, guys. Magpapalit ako ng t-shirt. Napakainit. Pupunta kami ng Sainsbury. So, yun guys. Magpipiknik kami. Kaya nakabili kami nitong nag-stop kami sa shop. Bumili kami nito ng cool bag. Cool bag.
Okay. Check how many steps.
7,700.
Good.
Yeah.
We'll get our 10K in then.
Yeah, we'll get 10K. Pagkagaling namin ng Sainsbury, makaka-10K kami ng lakad. So, pakita ko sa inyo guys, magpipiknik kami sa Friday. Dahil walang pasok sila Riona. Hindi kami makapasyal-pasyal kasi may work si Adrian, busy. Kaya, ang ganda tong cool bag na to, makapal. Ayan. Para yung babaunin namin, hindi masyadong mainita kasi mainit ang weather ngayon. At ito ay lalagay sa freezer. Sakto to, kasya dito sa Yan. Yan. Ready na kami mag-picnic. Para to sa sa Friday na. So yun guys, abangan nyo yung aming picnic. Sana naman huwag umulan kung kailan nagpaplano kami. Tapos mamaya pag umulan, maiiba na may plano. Sa iba naman kami mapupunta. Mag-day out si Adrian nun kaya makakapamasyal kami. So lagay muna natin to dito. So mag-day out si Adrian nun guys, kaya makakapamasyal kami. Tabi muna natin doon. At eto pa. Ano pa man? Ay, ito pala, para. Hindi to para kay Riona, para sa akin yata to eh. Si Riona ayaw na ng ganito. So, pag nag-picnic kami, ligyan namin ng para may balloon. Water balloon ba? Ano ba tawag dito? Water blaster. Tissue. Ay, nalukot na tuloy ito. Ayan, bumili din ako ng cups. Ito pa pala para sa ibabaw, lalagay namin sa ibabaw ng food. At binili din ako ni Adrian ng water bottle kasi may maganda nga naman yung nakalagay yung may reminder. Yan, may reminder siya, no? Para nakikita natin kung ilan yung naiinom natin. Mahina akong uminom ng tubig eh.
Ready when you are, babe?
Mahina kasi ako uminom ng tubig. Tapos bumili siya ng protein chocolate niya. Ibang camera tong gamit ko, parang andilim ata. Ayan, protein chocolate yun. At vitamins.
Hot chocolate.
Oh yeah, with protein. Protein hot
Not
chocolate.
just protein chocolate, hot chocolate.
So you mean I can have this also, hot chocolate?
Well, you could, but I don't think you'd want to.
Omega, ayan, vitamins. Tawag nila dito, vitamins. Vitamins. Another vitamins, guys. It seems like this camera, I never get used to it. Don't see myself. Ayan. Dalawang vitamins, guys, binili niya. Kasi it builds siya. Binigay ko ng green tea. Ayan, decaffeinated. Decaffeinated. Antioxidant plate. It says that if you take green tea, it makes your metabolism faster. Makes you lose weight. At syempre naman si Mr. No, ayan. Biltong, dried beef.
Throw me one over now, babe.
Sorry, love. Ayan, biltong. Dami niyang biltong. Ayan, snacks niya yan. At ang binili ko namang snacks. Oh, you got this also.
Yeah, it's only £10.
Protein, whey, birthday cake. I can make this cake for Friday.
No, it's not for cake, darling. It's protein powder.
Vanilla birthday cake.
That's the flavour.
Really?
Yeah.
Akala ko, pwedeng gawin mong cake. Can do. Put a little bit in the flour.
Can't.
Can do. Put a little bit in the flour. So, ito naman ang aking healthy snacks, guys. Oh, cauliflower. Ano lang siya, sale. The red stop means sale. So, yun guys, no, ito yung napamili ko naman, no, cauliflower chips siya. 99 calorie lang. Healthy. So, yun, pupunta kami sa Sainsbury. At maghahanap kami ng dinner namin. May dinner kami dyan kay Adrian lang para bibili siya ng mga May dinner kami dyan kay Adrian lang at bibili siya ng Bibili siya ng mga ready, nakapack na ready na bilang yung calories, guys. Kaya punta kami sa Sainsbury. Apam is, relaxing. O sige guys, lalabas muna kami. Hindi ko nadadalhin tong camera. See you again later. So guys, bumalik na kami sa galing kami sa town ulit, no? Ayan, si Adrian, si Daddy, looking good naman.
The new me.
Yeah, looking good naman. You have a new haircut, babe.
Yeah.
I
Shame
like
my
it.
forehead is that big now.
It's alright. Still look good to me. Very nice, babe. Very nice haircut. So, yun guys, we went to Sainsbury kanina. We got his special meal.
Ready meal.
Ready meals.
Well, I already had one left over. I'm having meat feast. Pasta meat feast.
He is avoiding to eat the homemade food of mine because it's always lovely.
I can't control myself.
Hindi niya makontrol yung sarili niya kapag ka nagluto ako kasi masarap nga naman. So I will prepare dinner now, babe. And we will have dinner na.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it together. Okay, thank you. So nagpagupit nga siya, guys, no? Ayan, wawash daw niya yung hair niya. Magpiprepare na akong dinner. At ang init, guys. Palit lang ako ng short. At kakain kami. 5 PM na dito, guys. Andali lang. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo, naka 12,600 steps kami ngayon. Nakakatuwa. Yan. So magpe-prepare na kami ng dinner guys. At kalat-kalat pa itong aming kabayan. Kasi nakatatlong labas ba naman kami, no? Nakatatlong lakad kami sa labas. At si Riona naman ay busy sa ano niya. Pag ano, kausap niya yung mga kaibigan niya. Tapos nung nakaraan lang, kailan lang na to kumain sila sa labas. So, prepare natin. So, pati si Riona naman, nag-request din na na gusto niya curry na naman. Mahilig si Riona sa Indian curry. So, yun lang kagandahan guys, no? Yun lang ang maganda kapag meron kang ready meals, no? Iinit-init mo na lang. Kahit ano gawin mo maghapon pag uwi mo, di mo na kailangang mag-isa. Init-init na lang. So, tulad nito, mga microwave lang din. Ito, air fryer. So, kaya nga si Adrian bumili ng ready meals niya, guys. Yung mga gantong luto na. Kasi, nabibilang niya yung calories. Bumili kasi siya sa pag-gym. So, ayaw niyang masira. Kasi minsan nagluto ako katulad kagabi. Gustong-gusto niya. Napaparami yung kain niya. Hindi niya mapigilan. So, pag iyon, tansyado na niya. So, supportahan natin siya, guys. So guys, ito na yung dinner namin. Ito yung sa akin. May salad, tsaka coleslaw, tsaka may balsamic vinegar yung ganito. Kaya ganyan ang kulay niya. At ito naman yung kay Adrian, yung ready meal niya. At ito naman yung kay Riona, curry. Madras ata to. What is it kay Riona, babe? Madras, right? Chicken madras. Ayan ang kanyang bread at ang kanyang sausawan. Paborito niya yung mint sauce. Let's eat na, babe. At ayun naman ang kanyang kanin. So, eating healthy tayo, guys. Can you please call Riona?
Put a little bit, garlic granules. Before we had cheese. No, we don't have cheese powder, do we?
No, it will be nice if we have Parmigiano, right?
No, it's
Parmigiano.
not part of the diet, is it?
Yeah, true. Okay, guys. Kakain na kami. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. May thumbnail.